Hari Om friends. First, let's learn the theory part, then apply it practically. That will get registered easily. The first technique is loading. It's of three types. Let's give it a name, A, B and C. Okay. A is edge loading. Second is full surface loading and double loading. This is theory. About palette knife techniques. Say I am using Camel Artist acrylic color 9 ml. This is cobalt blue, viridian and sap green. Now let's do edge loading. Use scoop of paint only on the edge of the knife. Let's hold it in 45 degrees like this. Whenever you load, you hold it in 45 degrees. Then apply lines vertically for creating precise and sharp lines. We should be careful about one thing, that the upper layer of this canvas board is made of cloth piece, canvas cloth piece. So we should be very careful not to tear it. Handle with care. You can create such lines, sharp lines. This is better than 0 number brush. See how sharp and thin these lines fall. One thing you must remember is, if you have to change for another color, immediately wipe it with a tissue like this. Keep it handy. Load it holding in 45 degrees. Then create lines like this, vertical lines. It can be vertical, oblique, horizontal, anyways. Depends on your requirements. I'm applying sap now, sap green, vertical lines. Every technique has a use of its own. You can create distant trees like pine trees or bamboo trees or houses, bamboo houses, huts. For all these topics, this technique will be useful. I repeat again, as canvas is a cloth piece and can tear very easily, so it requires royal treatment. We will try our best not to lay sharp objects on this canvas board. That also should be noted. Then we go for surface loading. I have taken Crimson Lake as soon as you open it, we have loaded it here, you have to close the lid. This you must remember because they dry up very quickly. Here you load more paint, and this is the underbelly as we have learned the term. Hold it in 45 degrees. From where? Not from this side, but always load from the other side, which is facing your canvas board. You load the paint like this and then apply. Vertically, horizontally, as per your requirement. Remember, your color should be fresh, otherwise they won't spread so well. This is another kind of loading. First one you learnt edge loading, second one was full surface loading. Even for giving the background you can use this. Where to use them? If you have a green colored mountain, you hold it in 45 degrees like this and apply. Darker shade again. See how I am holding it, 45 degrees, and I am applying surface. You automatically get the graded values also. See, cobalt gives you a darker shade. Viridian also, sap is lighter than them. So automatically you get a graded tone. Immediately we are cleaning it with a tissue. I have taken permanent yellow, deep magenta. Now what I am going to do is, these two are adjacent to each other. I am loading it like this and applying a layer. This is double loading. That is at the same time, one and the same time you get two colors loaded. This is easier than brushwork. You may apply it vertically or horizontally, whichever way you like. In both ways it can be applied. If you apply burnt sienna and yellow ochre adjacent to each other, like how we did just now, you get dark and also light tones automatically. As I mentioned earlier, this is easier than brushwork. Where do you apply them? In brick houses, if you have to create trunks of trees, tree barks, this technique can be used. So friends, keep practicing these techniques to gain more expertise. So let's stop here for now. Meet you again in the next video with more palette knife techniques for acrylic painting. Friends, if you like this video, please give a like below this video in YouTube. Touch the bell icon and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for its different, unique and genuine, and you know that. So meet you soon. Till then, Shubha Dinam.